In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note, Zoho Books. A credit note is a document you issue when you need to reduce or refund an amount on a previously billed sale. Maybe a customer returned items, was overcharged, or received a discount after the invoice. In Zoho Books, creating a credit note is quick and helps keep your accounts accurate. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look to the top right of the screen for the plus icon. This is the Quick Create button that gives you access to common transactions. Click the plus icon, then choose Credit Notes from the list. If you don't see that option, your role may not have permission to create credit notes, or the layout may vary slightly depending on your organization's settings. So check with your admin or adjust your preferences. Once the credit note form opens, begin by selecting the customer. Choosing the right customer ensures the credit note uses the correct currency, tax preference, and contact details tied to that customer's profile. Next, set the credit note date. This is important for your reporting and should reflect when the credit or return happened. Many businesses match it to the date the issue was recognized or the goods were received back. Now, add the details in the item table, if applicable. Search and select the items being credited, and Zoho Books will pull in their description, rate, and tax settings. Adjust the quantity to match what's being returned or credited, and update the rate or discount if needed to reflect the exact amount you're issuing as a credit. If you're crediting a service or issuing a general price adjustment without specific items, you can enter a line that clearly describes the reason so it's easy to understand later. It's a good idea to review tax calculations and totals at the bottom to make sure everything matches your intent. You can also add a short note or reference number for your internal tracking and attach any supporting documents like a return authorization or customer email to keep your records complete. When you're satisfied, choose how you want to save it. Save as draft keeps the credit note editable and out of your official balances, so it's perfect if someone else needs to review it. Save as open finalizes the credit note so it's ready to be applied against invoices or refunded later, and it will reflect in your reports. Take a moment to double-check the customer, date, items, amounts, and taxes before finalizing. And that's it. You've created a credit note in Zoho Books quickly and accurately.